Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money with TRANSCRIBEME. As you can see here, I'm currently on TRANSCRIBEME.com, and this is a website that persons normally go on to get a transcription of their audio and video files. But I'll be showing you how you can use this website to start making anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour. All you'll need to do is go onto TRANSCRIBEME.com. Then you are going to tap on jobs right here, and it will open up this page, and you can simply tap on get started. But before we dive into that, we can read some more about this website. As you can see here, you'll be able to monetize your downtime, and it's actually one of the highest paying transcribing websites. So you can see here we have the industry best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earning at $2,200. And the average monthly earning would be $250. So for a little bit of your time, your free time, you'll be able to earn anywhere from $2,200 to $250 per month. If that sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end, as I'll be showing you even more. All you'll need to do is simply tap on get started, and you'll be led to this page on which you'll be able to register. And you'll enter your first name, last name, email address, and also create a password. And the beauty about TRANSCRIBEME is you'll be able to get paid via PayPal, and it is available anywhere in the world. So from anywhere in the world, once you have access to a computer and have a headphone and free time, you'll be able to start earning money with TRANSCRIBEME. If this sounds good, be sure to hit the like button and also give this website a try.